Now, the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints has been a missionary church all over the world. And as part of the programs of the church, every year it is designed that members throughout Africa should organize an activity known as All Africa Program, in which we take upon ourselves, alongside with some of the community members, to clean various streets and houses in Cape Coast.
We believe that when the Savior was on earth, he served the community, especially our brothers and sisters in the days of old. So as part of our way of worshiping him as our Savior Jesus Christ, it is our responsibility to support and to serve the community where we live.
Because in the church, you are made known or understand that cleanliness is next to godliness. So if your community is clean, then it means you are also preparing yourself to be clean, in so much that when you go to church every Sunday and your communities are not clean, it sends a wrong signal to you.
Mfasa awo ho ozi mamante ma ha nyina anye dey yerbuo ma hatso ama wona wota han wan yer na ikuro nusu nu ma atso eza na ha tourist center nkofu twemu ha brofo na adi na wo ba nti sesesi ha enyiminyam ni bi ka Cape Coast ha ina ho nso wo mante won ka yer na obobo so ma malaria so na setu
munyo sanka kada yinyina yemwa timbemufu nyina anya asoro nkoto so be de medwuma so tedem etemututu se ne yinyina yemwa de boboa na the waye onye nna nkotin abibia akonye baba ne yinyina yemwa boa na yema edwuma na onko yesese yemre ma yesese yankase yenipedua cause ye baba akama ne nyina aba ne bakaw ebusia bakaw ebi ebubutu mefim wewu ane dede ya kawa aba but dem waye oyema he nyina.
There's so much going on over here, you know, which that's what we need to do as a people, you know, as a community. These are some of the things we need to do. They go with this church called the Church of Jesus Christ, right? They did exactly thing that was last year, and this year they're doing it again. So when we say community, these are some of the things we need to do to support ourselves. Everything is not just about the government.
You can, madam members in our say, and I actually stretch this out. Uncle Crow was thought to be brave, was one washing, Wabob Wen, and Majisi there, Zayaye, Olin Sarada. So, may you do, yen to me, you're now. The best right there, and animal work on you do. Ebia, with time to time, no, in Kakan. Obayama, my yayano, we too. No album for so I had a cry on the way, Jabo, yesterday. When you know more often and wow, we to come no papa, ama. May I no album for so. It's in a cacamo to mark.